get to ride a train today. That one. Hell yeah. This is my first like real train ride other than a subway. I don't even know if a subway counts. Yeah, I guess it does. It's a train. It's still a train. So yeah, this is like my first real train ride, and I get breakfast on it, and I love breakfast. So this should be pretty cool.
Toast, a side of pancakes, a side of anything?
Pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yeah.
And buttermilk?
Sure.
Okay. And what would you like to drink?
So this train comes with Santa Claus. That's breakfast with Santa. That's what the thing says. So I think he is like back here somewhere. Yeah, he's like way back there.
Oh, you're fine.
I'm sure he'll come grant my wish soon. I just put in my order for breakfast, but I do not know how it's going to be with this seating. Like there's no table, so I don't know how it's going to work, but I guess we'll find out soon. I had to put my coffee like on this thing, and yeah, look at these views. Out of syrup. This whole train is out of syrup. And no silverware. Not yet, I guess. And no cream for my coffee. Still has yet to bring me my cream, and it's been about 15 minutes maybe. At least the views are pretty good. Well, the views are great, but the service and the food didn't come out too good for some reason. I guess I wish I was having a better time. Pretty bummed out. First train ride and not so happy. Okay, I'm all done with the train ride. Now I'm at the Royal Gorge Park, and there's the big bridge that I went under earlier. I'm gonna go down to the bridge and see if I can't get on there. And just kidding. I didn't know it was $25 to get on the bridge. I'm not paying $25. The train ride alone was $70. That's good enough. The view from here is also good enough. I'll save the $25 for fuel towards Telluride, Colorado. How about that? And I'll also probably I'd rather have breakfast some other place. Okay, I'm leaving this place. I'll be honest with you, I was so bummed out about that train ride that I was not even gonna post this video. I should say the train ride was pretty cool. The scenery was really cool. Just the service I had was not very great. The food I ordered came out wrong, and and it was cold. The pancake was cold, and he kept saying pancakes when I was ordering, and I only got one pancake, no syrup. I asked for a water and a coffee like 3 times. I never got my water. I finally got my coffee, and I never did get that cream. Also, I did not even get my food until it was right before the halfway point, or the halfway mark, which is where the train stops and then it goes back to the station. And it was about 30 or 40 minutes into the train ride, so I didn't get my food until then, I guess you could say. Oh, also, they tried to charge me $2 for that pancake with no syrup. The server kind of asked for a tip in a weird way. It was just awkward. It was so weird. Honestly, I didn't even want to film anymore, really. I was just so butthurt about the whole experience. Maybe if you're in a higher tier, or if you pay more, you'll get a better experience. When it was all said and done, I asked if they could do anything to, I went to the manager and I asked if they could help me out in any way. They gave me a $10 refund they said they'll just refund my food, basically. So I thought that was kind of funny, because on their menu, the price for what I ordered was more than 10. It was $4 for the coffee and $12 for the burrito that I ordered, and then the pancake, I don't remember how much that pancake was. The train I was riding was coach, so there's no table. If you ride in a higher tier, there is a table. But yeah, that was it. That was the train ride. I probably won't do that again. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.